dirt on my name. Only gets worse when you're not there. You don't see the parts that are so dead, but you get real on the pill and I like it.
I begin to
right now I'm over here trying to do my makeup because today I'm back to work. Saying I'm happy about this, it's I don't know. I forgot what is it in English. No, a fairy tale. It's Heyy. So I'm going to work now. I still have like 40 minutes to spare, so I was like, let me just makeup here and there because no more mask, baby. So yeah, there's load shedding, so the only source of light right now I have is the natural lighting that is trying to come out, and this bulb over here. And yeah, let me just do my makeup and I'll show you what I look like, what I'm wearing. I feel so pretty already. That's what I'm wearing for today. I'm wearing these mom jeans since I bought them last year and they didn't fit me well, so this year they are within. We are within also. As well, yeah. So I'm wearing this shirt that I thrifted from Joburg Quadonusa. Obviously Mr. Price and my Vans. I watched them yesterday. So this is the makeup look that I went for. There's like, it's a like no makeup look, yeah. So this is, I didn't apply too much foundation because I didn't want to it to show that I'm wearing foundation, because like allegedly we are going to be cleaning today. I get excited, guys. I hate cleaning with every inch of my body. So yeah, this is how I look. My eyebrows are eyebrowing today. They understood the assignment. Bonalala. Oh my gosh. And this is another mirror over here. I just glued this not so long ago because, like, as you can see, it can zoom in. I use this one for when I do eyebrows, the eye area. Then when I do foundation, I usually focus here so that when I'm opening this window, the light is real. If I'm not during like load shedding like this, whereby I can't turn on my ring light. And also this light over here plays a major role. It's on right now. I use this during load shedding, and I also need to charge it before I go. Electricity I buy it like taller charger. So let's just go to work. The bag that I'm using for today, because it matches the outfit aesthetic, if you can say. So yeah, I'm going to use this ribbon for here. If you can see, it's just too tight over here, so I'm just going to do a DIY hack of it. Yes, girls support girls by subscribing once again. Cleaner. It's a lot going on. We are supposed to clean. Imagine. Shiba.
You don't mind cleaning? No! I can clean.
We're under pressure. Yo, Zia Kalaman. Yeah. I should Rodney. So I've been chilled in my room doing absolutely nothing. Right now I ordered something to eat. Ordered KFC on the Mr. D Food app. It's now I realize how much I love nuggets. I look very shiny right now, and this thing seems like it's falling. I look shiny because I applied the
Katakura ointment. Yeah. I also ordered Ringo wings. I don't know the last time I had this. Since it's gonna like yourself famous, you know. I don't know which one is hot here. But when I got the chicken, now I love chicken. I love chicken. Right now, I'm going to I grilled some chicken in my oven, but I felt like I wanted to order because I 100 rand go Hollywood beds. I was like, say no, mom. I love chicken. So guys, this is the washing machine I was telling you about. Still sealed and whatever. That is the box. The box is there. I'm feeling proud, guys. It's a proud moment. Like, I've been tired. Achievement. But it's somehow dead here because of some stains. But I'll remove it when I'm done. But yeah, I was showing you my new washing machine, my new toy. Sanbanani vlog. How are you, vlog? I hope you guys are doing well, vlog. So let me show you things that I bought. Let me show you. Let's just do a quick haul. From Pep, what I bought these things on different days, yesterday and today. So yeah, I bought this pink lunch box. It looks like it's giving Tupperware baby, and it was $18.99. I love this. I love this. I love lunch boxes that don't show what's inside. I don't like people seeing what I have inside. So yeah, this is what I bought. And also I bought the Magnolia nail and hand cream. The other thing that I bought, it's this little cute notebook that says keep it groovy. I'm going to be using this to note down important things at work. I wanted to get a weekly or daily planner, but I couldn't find something that I like. The ones that I like I couldn't afford, so I was like, let me just settle for this for time being. And also I bought this stunning and stylish water bottle. I already put water in here so that chemicals can come out, if that makes sense. Yeah, this is how it looks. It's so beautiful. It's giving gray black, and it says H2O. It has this thing here to hold. This was 40 rand. The notebook was 14 rand. Hand cream 15. Yeah. And also moving right along to other things, I also went to Clicks. I've run out of fragrance. My perfumes from Fine Fragrance have run out, and for this I really don't have money as yet to buy them, because I really don't want to buy them one because usually I buy them online. So, and also I feel like I'm going to be going to Pretoria month end, so I can just pass by Blood Mall and get them without paying via online. So I got the body spritzer from Clicks. It's 3 for 2. So the first one that I bought is this one. It looks like this. It has a pink bow and a heart, It's the wrapped in romance. This one smells so nice, guys, like. And the second one is strawberry. This is how it looks. The third one is vanilla. The vanilla one I think I'm going to put in my work bag because, yeah, long story. But this I'm going to be using every day. That's why I bought the longer one. This, the normal price of this, like single price, it's 41 rands, and this size is 31 rands. So this one I'm going to be using every day. It's going to be abused, yeah. Maybe this one when I bath to go to sleep, yeah. But this is going to be abused. And also the major thing that I went to the mall for, it's this. I've been meaning to buy this, and the one that I saw from Mr. Price was big and it didn't have style, so I went on to Mall of Tembisa at the Chinese store and I bought this. This was 180, and I love the details, I love the color. I honestly had in mind that I wish it could have been black, but I can see that I love this because it's neutral. One thing about me, I'll always try to buy black shoes, black bags. That's me. But for now, I love this change for me. So yeah, this is what I bought from the mall. And also, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Like I literally had this money from my my piggy bank. I had to open it because I was stranded. Yeah, so this is that's what I bought. Yeah, see you when something